Let's factor one more trinomial where your leading coefficient is a 4 instead of a 1. It requires a little bit more work, and this way is referred to as tic-tac-no-toe. Here is something you may take a screenshot of that tells the systematic steps of what I'm going to describe here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is identify the A, the B, and the C. The A is always in front of the squared variable, B is in front of the Z or X or whatever it's going to be, and C is your constant. The number that goes here in quadrant 2 is A times C, which is 4 times -3, which is -12. The number that goes in this third quadrant here is B, which is 4. All right, we're going to take the factors of -12, which is A times C. I'm just going to use the 12 for now. And that is 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Now, which one of these factors multiply to give me 12, but add or subtract to give me the 4? And 2 and 6 will subtract to give me 4. So I'm going to use 2 and 6 in either spot. I'll look here to my signs. If my C is negative, the signs must be different from each other. And I'll look in front of the B to see what they're going to be. The big one's going to be plus. So the big one is plus. 6 is bigger than 2, so he's the plus one. That means the 2 will be negative because the signs have to be different from each other. Next, I'll take the A and put it over one of the answers, 4 over -2, and I'm going to reduce that. 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into -2 -1 time, and then I've got this one simplified. Now I'll take the 4 and I will place it over the 6, and I'll reduce those by dividing those by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, so that one's ready. Now I will take the numerator and put it with the variable z, and then the denominator will be the constant. So that'll be 2z minus 1, and this one here will be 2z plus 3. Okay, best to check this by foiling it back to make sure that I get what I started with. So for the first terms, 2z times 2z is 4z squared. For the outside terms, 2z times 3 is 6z. For the inside terms, -1 times 2z is -2z. And for the last terms, -1 times 3 is -3. When I combine 6z and -2z, I get 4z. I'm going to write the rest of the problem down. And then I go back and check it. Everything is correct. The check worked. So that means that if I factored that trinomial, this would be my solution.